Hey, Chris here. Let's talk about the different types of audio signal levels, and we'll go to the blog post that I wrote about this a while back. And keep in mind, these are all electrical signals, right? When audio travels through wires or travels through gear, it travels as an electrical signal, right? So the first one we'll talk about is microphone level, and that's the output level of a microphone. So microphones have relatively weak output levels. That's just how most microphones are made. The signal that a microphone creates is not strong, it's weak. And so it needs to be boosted up using a microphone preamplifier. So that's a preamp. You need to boost the microphone level signal. You need to boost it up to line level. Now, line level that's the level at which audio gets recorded. And of course, in a computer, that's the level that the audio gets digitized. And line level is after you have a microphone and you use a preamp to boost it up to line level, that's it. For the rest of the lifespan of the audio, it's always going to be at line level. That's just how it works. When you record it, when you play it back, all that, it's at line level. So line level, what is that? Well, that's the standard level at which audio signals travel through gear, mixers, etc., and it's the level at which recordings are made. So I just sort of repeated myself there, but other level is instrument level. So this is the level that comes directly out of an electric guitar or a bass guitar, and these are very similar to microphone level signals. They're pretty low and they need a preamp. So instrument level needs a preamp, and well, we won't get more into it than that, but that's basically it. And then you have speaker level. Speaker level is the level needed to drive a speaker, which is much stronger than line level. So I told you line level is where the level stays once you record it and play it back or send it around through gear, whatever. But speaker level is different. So speaker level is when you send a line level signal when you want to play it back through speakers or headphones, right? The audio needs to be amplified so it can drive the speakers or drive the little speakers in your headphones, because that's what's in your headphones, right? Mini speakers, right? So those speakers need to be driven with power, and they need a more powerful signal than line level. So we call that speaker level. I don't know if there's another technical term for it, but that's what it is. So speaker level, it depends how high you crank that amplifier, because some big speakers, you have to crank the level up a lot to drive those big speakers. And that level, speaker level, running through a cable is very strong. It's much stronger than line level. So that's it. So a recap, you got the microphone level signal, and then first thing you have to do with a mic level signal is use a preamp to bring it up to line level. And line level is where you record it and play it back and route it and do whatever you want to do and record it and all that. And then, of course, instrument level is like microphone level. You need to basically preamp it up. And then speaker level is just a lot louder and a lot stronger signal because it needs to drive a speaker. So all right, well, those are the different audio signal levels. I hope you enjoyed that. You probably knew that, but I don't know, maybe you didn't. So don't forget, my podcast is the Podcast Engineering Show, and you can sign up for the daily goodie emails. There's 2 or 3 emails a week of tips and tricks. And of course, podcastengineeringschool.com. That's where the main course is, where I teach people how to become professional podcast engineers and producers, and then work from home and earn a great living from home, and charge a lot of money and produce great audio for people. They love it. Well, that's what I teach at Podcast Engineering School. So, all right, well, that's it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.